We're at the Monster Truck Insanity Tour in Manti, Utah. You can probably tell by the background noise. Rat Fink reunion's going on. This one's a little different. Tonight, I'm driving.
This right here, my friends, is Kenny Eggleston, our own announcer right there. Kenny, put your hands in the air. Wave them around like you just don't care. Kenny just got his driver's license back about 6 hours ago.
Hey everybody, I'm Kenny. This is Sagebrush Soul, and like I said, we're in Manti, Utah. We got the Rat Fink reunion going on. We're gonna get into that a little bit, but we're about to start pit party, and yeah, so Jeromy Pritchard, the king of the tough truck drivers, and last weekend in Idaho Falls, or the last show we had in Idaho Falls, Jeromy asked me if I wanted to drive a tough truck. Now, Jeromy keeps a bunch of vehicles on hand to kind of come out and let people demolish, and I thought, sure, yeah. He's got a Ranger, he's got a van, he's got a couple of different vehicles, and then he goes, okay, I'll get the Scrambler ready. This Scrambler is a pretty high performance vehicle that used to be a rock bouncer. He has tough trucked it quite a bit, but yeah, he's gonna let me drive it. And I'm going through quite the range of emotions right now because it had been sitting out there when I pulled in. The Jeep was just sitting out there ready for me. We parked it right where we camped. And so we've been here for 2 days now, just eyeballing the thing. And I kind of wanted to take it for a ride last night, didn't. But just now I took it out just to get a feel for it. Idle speed in the pits. The adrenaline started pumping. But anyway, follow me on this journey. I got to get up to the announcer stand. I got a camera ready. I'm going to try to take you with me. Hopefully everything works. I haven't had the best luck with cameras lately. Yeah, we're going tough trucking. I'm announcing and tough trucking. And I've almost backed out 3 times, but now that I actually got to drive it around a little bit, and I didn't even get into it. There ain't nothing stopping me now. So I'm up in the booth with Andy now, and oh, they did bring my truck out there to pit party. Yes. I'm driving that tonight. Will you film it for me? Yeah. From the outside? Because apparently I just told you I had terrible luck with cameras. This that's already been ran over by every monster truck in freestyle. That's the one that was gonna go on the Jeep. And it's so hot right now. I don't know if it was recording the whole time. It's got a big SD card in it, but I'm gonna let it cool down, but I don't have any other batteries charged for it, so I gotta run back to my barn. I'll explain that later, and get a charger and try to get it charged up as good as possible. I've been trying to waterproof the thing all day, and I can't get this little door on because we got a little bit of rain going, but Andy's taking pictures of me talking to you guys, so. Because right now you guys are just a camera in the announcer stand, or race control as we call it. But things are getting real.
This number 8675309. You'll call me later. This will be either really, really good or really, really bad. Manti, Utah, count it down. 3, 2, 1. Free Wi-Fi. Woohoo! The screeching of the burnout of the tires, man, phenomenal. The tinted windows just glistening off the sun. You can see the reflection of the temple in the windows on that thing. The custom black striping, Ed Roth got nothing on that right there. That is some custom striping. Oh, wait a minute. He's digging in the cooler in there. It's a rental. Don't be gentle. Oh, oh. I thought that said free tacos on the back. I just got hot flashes. Tail light's gone. It'll never. He's going to get pulled over on the way from the Rat Fink reunion tonight. I can tell you that right now. His current time. He's happy about it. And then he was the Wi-Fi system. Wow, look at this sweet red thing, guys. Dust off underneath it.
That was awesome.
Chevy versus Jeep. The one thing Kenny had to say today is that he did not want to be the slowest. That was the only expectation that he had of all day today. So Jeep against Chevy. You guys ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many think Colton's gonna take it? Let's put it out and go racing.
I guess I won. I gotta race him.
Hearts are flying out of there. All right. How many think the Jeep's gonna take it? That's what I thought too. All right, Jeromy versus Kenny. Are you ready? Let's go racing. Pritchard taking home the win. Kenny taking home a new motorsports.
Well, the show's over. It was a lot of fun, but holy shit, that was so much fun to drive that Jeep and race. Quick breakdown of it. I drove the first round. Well, in qualifying, I finished kind of in the middle of the pack, and I had probably one of the best rigs out there. So like Jeromy told me, he goes, if you idle around there, like, you should beat a handful of them. But I qualified in the middle, got the bracket set, and won my first race, which was awesome, which paired me up with Jeromy himself. And I probably don't need to tell you the rest of the story, but I did it with extreme caution. Not my toys, but what a great experience. And the other thing, I know when I watch this video, which I have not done yet, that I'm gonna think I was going 1,000,000 miles an hour, but I know I didn't get past half throttle. That thing had plenty, pretty tight quarters, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be disappointed at how slow it looks like I'm going when I'm going around there, but it was a blast, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Jeromy and Tabitha, both of you, for what you do to put this event on and to let me drive the Scrambler. Was amazing. There's another Manti video coming up that kind of recaps the last 3 or 4 years that I filmed it here. And anyway, I'm Kenny. This is Sagebrush Soul. May the best of your past be the worst of your future.